Hello guys, how you doing? My name is Rokeya Khalifa. If this is your first time to stop at this channel, my name is Rokeya Khalifa, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share and turn notification up so every time I do upload a new video you'll be the first one to watch. Now if you're my old subscriber, hello guys, how you doing? Please share and like and subscribe and share as well. Now if you haven't not turn notification, this is your perfect time to do so. So today's video is fashion haul by Zara, like I said someone's name, but it's a brand name, Zara. So yeah, I collected these pieces ages ago, but the timing to do a video, I was literally like, should I do it today, should I do it tomorrow, should I do this, should I do that? Now if you know me in the personal life, you just know me how I can be so relaxed sometimes and I forget exactly what I'm supposed to do in a day, like how relaxed I can get literally. But today I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go there and I'm just gonna do this video because I have these pieces for quite a long time. I haven't worn them yet and I believe they might be on sale, some stuff, and some stuff that I haven't yet, and I'll try to find them on the website. And I'm gonna link everything, the things that I'm gonna show you, the pieces in the video if you want, if you want to see it and if you want to get it as well. So I believe the pieces that I got in this video, they're not that quite a lot, but they're quite affordable as well, so you can wear it in the evening time, especially now in UK. It's like literally, it's like I can't say spring, but it's raining, it's sun, it basically is mist of weather right now. And the pieces I want to show you, it's just like you can relate in this weather going on today. I mean, it's going on in UK right now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy these pieces and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you got anything that you like me to do, let me know in the comment. If you love any outfits, let me in the comments and let's start. I'm so excited for this. I'm like so excited. So let me just get my bags. This is my bag number one right here. It's not a lot of things, but I got a big bag. And this is the number two bag right here, guys. So let's start a number one bag. Actually let me start a number two bag, because the number two bag, the one that I got ages ago and then I didn't wear it, is still somewhere. But I believe I wore this pair of earrings from Zara. They're really lovely. They're like gold details. I'm gonna show you a picture of what I wore with the outfit, and they're literally so amazing. They're like them kind of earrings, when you wear them, they're like everyone that will stare at you. The pieces that you want in your earring selections, because they're so amazing, they're so big, they look like real gold, but they're not, but they're literally so good. I love them. I'll show you their pictures exactly what I wore them in this outfit, and I'm planning to wear them when I go for a holiday or something, especially now in UK. It's like winter is starting. It might get this on sale. I'll link everything in below. And this was only £12.99. That's basically £13. So yeah, really cool. I love them. I love them kind of earrings like that, because if you wear like kind of earrings, you don't have to wear like a necklace or anything when you wear kind of earrings like that, so it stand up more, like especially this kind of hairstyle. They look amazing. I can't wait to try them again with this hairstyle. The other piece that I got, it was these leather trousers, but I think they're a little bit tight on me. I tried them already and I couldn't bother to go back to Zara. Like I just like say, guys, I'm literally so comfortable person. When I buy something, I can't bother to go back to town and return them or whatever. I just keep them and I'll just be like, you know what, let me just keep them. And I believe this trousers was on sale. It's red leather trousers, and I think this was on sale and I got them, and then I didn't even try them because I think it wasn't my size, so I couldn't bother to go on the change room. So I thought to myself, let me just grab them and go to a change room, because obviously I wear size 8 and the trousers on the top, I'm a size 8 person, so I didn't bother myself to just go because I didn't thought it would be that tight on me. But anyway, this is size 8 and this is how they look like. Is leather, fake leather, and then it goes like I was about to say button, but it's like zip in the side right here. Really cool. I really love this, and I was thinking if I wore this, I could wear just like with a black top and then little like trainers or boots, whatever, because it will look amazing, and they're like black extensions or red extension, I think that will look amazing. And it has like a little slit right here underneath the trousers. They're really well made, but just like unfortunately it doesn't fit me. And then the details, it has like a details right here, like a little belt, but it's not a belt, but it has like a little belt details. They're really cool. And I believe this was, I don't know how much they are, but I think it was on sale by the time I bought them. But I'll try my best to look for them for you guys, so you can see how they are right now. Show you how this, it doesn't fit at all. I believe it doesn't fit, that's my believing, but I was so lazy to take it back, because I'm just a lazy person. Like, if you know me, you should know me, like I'm literally a lazy person. When I buy something, to take it back for me is a disaster. I don't take it back things, I just leave it there, and then when it's too late I'll be like, why did I not take it back? But I don't think this will fit me at all. I don't think it goes going up. I don't think it's gonna go up, guys. And this is size 8. And then most of the trousers that I do buy, they're all size 8. So I'm a bit like confused about this. Like, I don't know why I didn't try it first. But for me, I always bought a size 8 in Zara and shop. So I'm so confused why it doesn't go up. Literally, it's not going up. Like, if I forced to go up, the trouser might rip. The leather trouser might rip, so I don't want that to do that. I can just give to someone else. But it's sad actually, because I had like outfit that I already planned that all got perfect with the trousers. I don't know what to say. It just doesn't fit me at all. So I have to take it back, I guess, or but it was on sale rack, so I don't think I can take it back. The only thing I can do is to give to someone else, basically, or to sell it or something, because it doesn't fit me at all. So yes, yeah, guys, I'm a bit sad about it. But what can you do? What can we do? I'm a bit sad, guys, that it doesn't fit me, but what can we do? It's my fault, literally. It's my fault, basically. I didn't go to try it, innit? This is what happens when you don't go to try it in the change room. So it was this, another thing I got, guys, was this amazing top from Zara. I haven't worn this top yet because I haven't found the perfect place to wear it. But yeah, I was about to wear this for my birthday, but that day it was literally so hot. If you live in UK, guys, you should to know, July the 25th, that was literally my birthday, and I went out with my friends, and it was the mostest day that it was so hot in UK. Like, it was not even, like, it was so hot. When I said so hot, it was literally so hot day in UK. So I was sweating, I was literally everywhere. But I thought to myself, this is a white top, and if I put foundation and it's really sweating, it's really hot, I won't feel comfortable at all, because white top sometimes, if it's really tight, it's well made like this, like sweating, everything literally will show. So I didn't want the top to ruin it and stuff. So I thought to myself, I'm just gonna keep it for the special event. And it has like like this arm doesn't have a sleeve, but the another arm it had a sleeve, like long sleeve, and then it has like a gold button right here, like a little detailed gold button, and there's like a big cuff right here. So this is what I love about it. And there's like a gathering right here. I think this is supposed to snatch your waist area, to just make it a little bit smaller. Now if you go right here, it's like a shape by the bottom of the top, like to give you like a little that details that you deserve. And then in the back, it's just like a plain, it doesn't have any buttons or anything, and it's plain white. I really love it. It has like a little seam right here and a little detail, like one side is going longer, one side is going lower, so you can see that that's the front and that's the back right here. So I really love this top, but just the perfect time to wear it. I don't have it yet, so I'm so excited. This top was, I think this top was the most popular top, because on Instagram by that time in summer it was like everyone got it. and I think this it was £30, so it's 25, it's 20, it's 29.99, so that's £30. That's £30, just only 1p to go. That's £30 right there. So I think it might be on sale. I haven't worn them, so I'm gonna show you guys if I wore this top. I will wear like a blue jeans with high heels and like a little bag. I'll show you in a minute how we're supposed to wear this, but I'll show you. Now if I cannot try it, I will let you know, because it's a bit white and I wear my foundation, so I don't want it to ruin it yet, and I haven't worn it especially. So yeah guys, I believe I told you that I'm gonna have to try this shirt for you guys, but I am so scared for my life to put my foundation on, because the blue top that I just literally showed you, it had like a little bit of foundation on the top, and I'm a bit angry about it. So I'm a little bit like I don't know what to do. I do not want to put any foundation in this top. So this top, the best thing is I can just show you the picture how it looks like on the model, or how it looks like on Instagram, girls whatnot, but I won't be able to show you guys this top in the video. I really apologize. I don't want to put any foundation on it, and it looks like clean. If I put foundation on, it will be so hard to take it off the foundation. So I'm a bit nervous for it, so I'm sorry guys, but I'll put a picture for you guys to see how it's supposed to look like on the body. So another thing that I got guys, it was this amazing dress from Zara. I saw it and I'm like, I love that dress. Like I love this dress. It's really long, it's really red as well, and I thought in my skin tone it will look marvelous. It will look fantastic on my skin, so I thought to myself, let me just grab it. And then it's £29.99, so £30, only 1p left. It has like a one shoulder, it's like one shoulder, but like one shoulder to hold it, and it's really cool. It's really blank, and it's just, you can wear it by the winter, you can wear it by the summer. It's really long, I really love it. And this dress, if I wear it, because it has like a little cut, one arm low and one arm there, not sleeve at all, I will not wear like a big necklace, no, because I want this to be showed. I want like a big earrings, like them gold earrings, and then like high heels, you know, like kind of see-through high heels. And my hair somehow, oh, what kind of hairstyle should I put? Like this kind of hairstyle maybe, and just like put everything on top. Oh, I know what kind of hairstyle, like a wavy dip, curls, and then after that you just like sweep all of it, and then here in the back you like go a little bit boof, you get it. That style will look amazing with this dress, but that's my opinion. But I'll show you exactly what shoes I was on about to wear with this. I think this will look so amazing in winter, even in boots as well. You can just wear boots, like black boots in winter, because it's really long. You can just put your jacket and black boots and just go with it. And I think this is amazing. Zara is just amazing. I cannot wait to try it. So guys, this here is a dress. I really love this dress. Look at this guys, this is so cool. But you have to be careful with this kind of dress because you cannot walk. Yeah, it's really lovely. I really love this dress. It's like, it's making me feel like, you know, but you feel like, you see what I was talking about, the necklace. So I think necklace is not that necessary to wear it, but it's up to you if you want to kind of, for me it's literally so amazing. I really love this dress. It's some kind of dress just like you want to look amazing. And the shoes that I was talking about guys, this is the shoes I was talking about. This is a clear heel that, yes, dress will look amazing with them. Let me just pull them so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Just like to give you a clue gonna be a bit taller. Oh, hold on. See, this is what I was talking about, guys. This looks so amazing. You can wear with trainers or anything, but I prefer it like this. I think this looks so amazing. It's really tight as well. It makes you give you like that kind of shape. But this is how it looks like in the back. Love it. So guys, I changed my necklace just to show you guys what I was talking about, the earrings and this dress. I think this looks amazing. And just pair up with this little bag right here and your little dress. This all looks fabulous. Yeah, what do you think, guys? I think this outfit, it looks amazing because that pair of earrings right there in the little bag and the little shoes, just amazing. Love it. Sorry guys, I feel like I got a runny nose, like because the weather in UK changed quite a lot, so it's like you cannot keep up with this weather. No, you cannot keep up with your with your health as well, because it changes as well. Most of the time when the weather changes, your health will change as well. You might have cold, you might have this, you might have headache. So right now I think I got a runny nose, so if you hear me go sorry, like I apologize in advance. But anyways, I got this another top from Zara. I just love them, and I believe this actually, I wanted this ring from Pretty Little Thing. It was a set. It's like a tie and a top, and at the time that I wanted to get it, it was sold out, and then I was so pissed off. I was a little bit angry as well because I wanted the outfit so bad and it was sold out and I couldn't get it, and it was a big size because I'm size 8, so it was only size 14 I believe, and the top it was only size 10 or 11. So for me, I was like, should I risk it, or should I get it, or should I get what? And I couldn't get the top, I couldn't get the tie, whatever. So in the tie, it was like more like this kind of print right here, if you can tell, like if you can see right now. And then I saw this on Zara, and I'm like, well, I didn't get it from Pretty Little Thing. The only thing I can get is get the top. I can wear with like a blue jeans and my little trainers, because I love my trainers, and my big jacket in winter. Like this all looks so cool. The outfit that is in my head right now. But yeah, this is a little print right here. It's really cool. Little blue, little bit naughty patrons right here. You get what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But anyways, this top, it was $15.99, so that's £16, and it's size small, but it's a bit oversized. I wanted to get large, but I thought to myself, what I'm getting large for? Because if sometimes you get a large top, the top and the neck back, that neck area will be so large, so it'll be like literally not your, people don't tell literally you got over your size. But sometimes it's just the best you just got on your size. So I got size small, and that's what I'm talking about, guys. I still got my earrings, but this is the top I was talking about. It's so amazing. I paired with my blue jeans from Topshop, I think, or New Look, from Topshop or New Look, I guess. But this is how the outfit looks like right now. This is the top and the back. You can just put it in here, so that will give you like a little definition of little design. I really love it, and I'll pair up with this little bag right here, just like to give it like a vibe. But I would definitely not wear these earrings, this outfit, or just like the another outfit that I showed you. I can't remember to take it out, but yeah. So I just love this. It just feels so cool. It's really comfortable as well, this top, and I'm not wearing a bra inside. And I'm just gonna pair up with any trainers that you literally have. You don't have to pair up like any trainers that you literally feel like. Let me just show you the trainers I will pair up with. This is the trainers I'm gonna pair up with. The Lotte Green by the Nike TM Air. So the Nike trainers, the TM, I really love them. The old ones actually as well, but really comfortable. Just want to be comfortable and look cute as well. So that's the outfit. So guys, that's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the pieces. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share and turn the notification up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.